Hello, and welcome to English Evolution Step 1. Today, we're diving into a fresh and dynamic way to learn personal pronouns. In 2025, we're all about making learning engaging and effective. Whether you're new to English or just brushing up, this lesson is designed to make pronouns easy and fun. Let's revolutionize how we learn together. Man, boy, girl, woman, child, father, mother, people. Subject pronouns. These pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. They perform the action in the sentence. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. People. Listen and practice. Subject pronouns. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Object pronouns. Me, us, you, them, him, her, it. Possessive adjectives. My, our, your, their, his, her, its. Possessive pronouns. Mine, ours, yours, theirs, his, hers, its. Reflexive pronouns. Myself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, himself, herself, itself. These are the personal pronouns in English. Let's dive into the examples in sentences. I am reading a book. We are going to the park. You are my best friend. They are watching a movie. He is playing soccer. She is cooking dinner. It is raining outside. Me. She called me yesterday. Us. Can you bring us some water? You. We invited you to the party. Them. He will meet them at the cafe. Him. I see him at the park. Her. They helped her with her homework. It. The dog followed it home. My book is on the table. Our team won the match. Your phone is ringing. Their house is beautiful. His car is parked outside. Her bag is blue. It's. The cat is wagging its tail. Mine. That book on the table is mine. Ours. The victory belongs to us. It's ours. Yours. That jacket over there is yours. Theirs. The beautiful house over there is theirs. His. The car parked outside is his. Hers. The blue bag on the chair is hers. It's. Unlike mine, yours, hers, his, ours, and theirs, the possessive pronoun its is not used without a noun following it. Its specifically functions as a possessive adjective, which means it always modifies a noun to show possession. The cat wagged its tail. Myself. I made this cake myself. Ourselves. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. Yourselves or yourself. You should be proud of yourself. Themselves. They bought themselves new shoes. Himself. He fixed the car himself. Herself. She looked at herself in the mirror. Itself. The cat cleaned itself. Thanks for joining us in this exciting journey of learning personal pronouns. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more innovative English lessons. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. Together, let's make English learning an evolution. See you in the next video on English Evolution Step 1.